Welcome to this segment of Did You Know? In this tutorial, we will examine how to revise the due date for an assignment using the calendar feature in Canvas. Instructors usually communicate the due dates for course assignments to learners in the course syllabus. As such, the due dates are often fixed and do not change. However, there are instances when an instructor may change an assignment due date due to an error, extenuating circumstance, or challenge the learners are experiencing with the course content. When any of these situations arise, instructors can quickly revise the due date for an assignment with one click. To revise an assignment due date, select View Calendar from your course homepage. When you select the assignment, you will notice a due date of September 17th. To revise the due date, move the assignment to the preferred date. In this instance, we will give our learners an additional week to complete the assignment. When you click on the assignment, you will notice that the new assignment due date is September 24th. Thank you for viewing this segment of Did You Know? Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.